video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, some nearby attractions, and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to check in photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is outstanding. Guests can enjoy the surroundings. One category of rooms is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For information and more details, please read the description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in arranging this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. And check out on this property and share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so